The hammer on the left is mine when I was a kid. It's an old Craftsman hammer with a wooden handle. The more modern hammer is by DeWalt, and it's right here on the right. Let's take a look at it. The first feature we're going to look at is the rubber coating around the handle. This helps absorb the shock of hammering and reduces fatigue on your arm and hand as you hammer. The second feature we're going to look at is the lanyard hole. Yeah, it's small, but it can be really useful. DeWalt calls this tri-pull technology. It helps you remove staples, framing nails, and finishing nails. And all in all, it's a really small claw to really help pull those nails out. The fourth feature I want to share with you is something you're probably very familiar with, and that's the claw. It's used for prying things open, pulling nails, and many other things. The last feature I want to show you is my favorite. It is a magnet for holding your nails. It can hold large framing nails to small wood finishing nails. Let me show you how it works. You simply just put your nail on the magnet and you hammer into the piece of wood. This will save you from smashing your thumb and injuring yourself when holding small, tiny nails. It also works with large framing nails. There you go. It's as simple as that. A really great feature. Well, if you found this helpful, please share this with someone that you think would benefit from it. And if you're wanting to see more content from this channel, consider subscribing. Alright guys, till next time, I'll see you later.